Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check that your Android phone supports wireless Android Auto and that your car can at least pair via Bluetooth and accept Wi-Fi. Once done, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location on your phone and charge it above 50% so pairing won't drop. If the head unit lacks Wi-Fi, prepare a wireless adapter or a dedicated dongle. This is essential because wireless Android Auto uses Bluetooth to initiate and Wi-Fi to stream data. Now pair phone and head unit via Bluetooth. You'll now configure the actual wireless link. Open Android Auto settings and enable wireless projection or wireless Android Auto. Next, pair the phone to the car head unit over Bluetooth and accept any PIN or confirmation prompts. This handshake tells both devices to negotiate a Wi-Fi direct session. If you're using a third-party adapter, plug it into the car's USB port, power cycle it, and follow the vendor's steps to pair. These adapters bridge the head unit to your phone's Wi-Fi, so make sure you finish by confirming Android Auto launches and routes audio and navigation over the car speakers. Test a route and play media. If the connection fails or drops, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then forget the car on your phone and repair. This clears old handshakes. Also check firmware on the head unit and any adapter. Updates fix bugs. Finally, make sure the USB port supplies steady power because low current often causes disconnects. If none of this works, swap cables or try another adapter to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.